Welcome to Wheels and Wings, your go-to channel for everything on wheels and beyond. Today, we're diving into the Chevrolet Bolt, an electric vehicle that has made waves in the industry with its affordability, impressive range, and modern features. Whether you're considering buying one or just curious about what it offers, we've got you covered with a detailed review of its specs, performance, and standout features. The Chevrolet Bolt is a compact electric hatchback designed for efficiency and everyday practicality. One of its biggest highlights is its range, offering around 259 miles on a full charge, making it a great choice for both city driving and long trips. Powered by an electric motor producing 200 horsepower and 266 pound-feet of torque, the Bolt delivers quick acceleration and a smooth driving experience. The instant torque gives it a responsive feel, making it fun to drive while maintaining excellent efficiency. Charging the Bolt is convenient, with support for both Level 1 and Level 2 charging, as well as DC fast charging. With a standard home charger, it takes several hours to charge, but with a fast charger, you can get up to 100 miles of range in about 30 minutes. This makes it a practical option for those looking to switch to electric without worrying about long charging times. Inside, the Chevrolet Bolt offers a modern and functional cabin. The 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system is easy to use, featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. The digital driver display provides essential information about battery usage, range, and performance. Despite being a compact car, the Bolt offers decent interior space, with comfortable seating for 5 and a surprisingly roomy cargo area. Safety is another strong point of the Bolt, coming standard with features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera. Higher trims add more advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control and rear cross-traffic alert. These technologies make the Bolt not just efficient but also a secure and reliable choice for daily driving. One of the biggest advantages of the Bolt is its affordability compared to other electric vehicles in its class. With federal and state incentives, it becomes even more budget-friendly, making EV ownership more accessible. Additionally, its low maintenance costs and high energy efficiency make it a cost-effective option for long-term use. Overall, the Chevrolet Bolt is a well-rounded electric vehicle that balances performance, range, and affordability. It's an excellent choice for those looking to transition to electric without breaking the bank. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and leave a comment with your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to Wheels and Wings for more car reviews, specs breakdowns, and the latest automotive updates. Stay tuned for more exciting content.